Well, seniors, me no kase krobia Asante Kotoko team no eti basketball mo de omani ejre Tarkwa Western region of Ghana. Omo kohona the match day 28 Ghana Premier League away game against Medeama no Kotoko edi omani ejre ma me no kase omo departed from Kumasi to Tarkwa. Details and more ewa ha. Now there is another big twist coming in from Nkran. Unim say Kumasi Asante Kotoko players binom I express say at the end of this particular season, you know, omode omani ebe chirebe before from. Now one of the potential replacement for Asante Kotoko in the event say Mokwala beko na Richmond Lampton so kwa potential replacement no Kotoko player friend Salifu Di Maria has been on the radar of Kumasi Asante Kotoko for some time now. Na enam roa o play no oba Kotoko currently a wo player a friend no Richmond Lamptey a plays a role no because of that fact this season deal no amanfo nhyeda mpusu ye but Kotoko ani ba akote ho for player friend no Di Maria, yes, a crowd of folk player no, for a potential replacement for Richmond Lamptey. Na information we eba ne say Medeama decided say o Messi Kotoko echi locally player no why na adwen say so when you foreign contracts bia with clubs e freely bia ho no eba no nhyeda nye interested so obetoa so wo Ghana abo wo Ghana Premier League no a esiedu which is the manager na indicate say player na angasa onya krobia na obebo inti Kotoko na the first choice in terms of settling down with a local club. But Medeama we report about the Medeama for no omo no my omo business club omo ma adwen say omo kofa Di Maria na sika na across of folk I na adwen say omo mfa ma no in the region of 20,000 Ghana cedis which is kanitiska 200 million. Yes, and Medeama for I omo adwen say omo de bema player ye friend no Salifu Di Maria na akoye interesting days ahead. Kumasi Asante Kotoko bitimi amache anase untimi mache because Kumasi Asante Kotoko symbol for I friend Richmond Lamptey no so pesika bi say in that region but empanyifo no na ntimi antentam enene Medeama I am adwen say player I friend Salifu a ono so moye on the radar to replace Richmond Lamptey in events of econo omo adwen say omo desire 200 million ebe ma no bosumi bia details and more the no the aba and I'm a report to the part of your friend the blog man but you may do my for buy I